How's it going, everybody? Today we're going to be doing a quick overview of the Makita, I gotta pause because this is a long one, Makita CXT Brushless DT04R1 Brushless Impact Driver Kit. What we're going to do, we're going to go over the specs, show it in use, and we will go from there. Go ahead and feel free to pause this and look over all the information. This is all of the factory specs for the Makita. Alright, so for the Makita, when you buy the kit, this is everything that you get. Two 2.0 batteries with the battery charger, the impact, and a handy dandy carrying case, which you don't see. I guess you do see, but not so often. Usually you get a tool bag. So it's pretty nice hard plastic with all of your fixings in there. So you also get a free bit, not free, paid for it, and a battery connector cover is what I'll call it. Yeah, you got a spot for your charger, 2 batteries, and your impact. Next up, we have the battery charger with a lot of symbols on it. This shows you all the different light patterns that you can get, etc., etc. One thing I do like about this battery charger is it actually locks the batteries in. So the only way it's going to come off is if you hit the button. Here's the battery itself, nice and tiny. That's what she said. Then we get to the good part. So here you have a variable trigger, followed by forward reverse, with one LED light right yonder, battery gauge in the back, followed by you have a, this is usually a pain in the butt to pick up on the camera. So you have 3 different modes. You have a soft, hard, and assist. I can think of so many jokes right now, but I won't go there. Basically, you're soft and hard, you're low and high, and then this button also right here, if you hold it, it will turn on your flashlight, I guess your light, and then you turn it back off. So then your your assist mode, and this is going to be straight out of the pamphlet they send you. A mode, assist mode, is an easy to use mode for driving screws with good control. In this mode, the tool drives a screw with low speed rotation at first. After the tool starts to impact, the rotation speed increases and reaches a maximum speed. You can change the impact force within approximately 1 minute after releasing the switch trigger. So there you have it. So that covers that. We will go and showing it in use and going from there, which is called assist mode. So assist mode turns green on you. And it works on a variety of different fasteners. It's not just that. We use a 3/8 by 4 inch lag bolt. Alright, so you guys seen the impact in use. Let me know what your guys' thoughts and opinions are on it, if you're going to get one, if you're not going to get one, and why not. My opinion, I like it. It's not too bad. I really didn't have any opinions going into this, just because Makita is not really something that a whole lot of people talk about. But the few times I did use the assist mode, it worked phenomenally well. So that is different, and I do like that a lot. I think I'll just end the video there. So if you guys could, if there's anything in the video that you did like, let me know in the comments, as well as if there's anything you didn't like, let me know in the comments, so I can try to get better at getting these videos made for you guys. Any tools that you guys would like to see me test or review, let me know, and I will get that added to my list of tools to get when I get money saved up. And if there's any tests that you guys would like to see me do to compare these or destroy them, you guys let me know. So that being said, thanks for watching. Have a great day.